What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another cool thing for the garage, you guys. I'm having too much fun. We just got done reviewing the check engine light, and now we have here the garage light with the skull. I don't know where I'm gonna put this here yet, so I'm just gonna show y'all. Oh, this is awesome. Now this one is awesome because they actually have a place where you can go ahead and put in screws. So bada boom, they got screw holes right here. This look like what you hang when you usually hang mirrors. So yeah, that's awesome. And they also have the two holes on the top, but I might use the two holes on the top anyway, just to use them. Now with this comes with the chain and the hooks. So there you go. So if you want to actually just hook this up with one screw and hook it up on a chain, then you can do that as well. So there you go. If you want to use a chain, so I don't know, maybe I should use chain. It may look cooler, right? So right here we are in our auto corner, you guys. This is the auto corner. This is the corner where all the oil, the brake fluid, transmission fluid, windshield wiper fluid, all the fluids, brake fluids, all our ratchets, the wrenches, all that stuff is in this corner. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and wow, that is bright, very bright. So I got the brightness all the way down right now. Even with the brightness all the way down, it is very bright. So compared to the check engine light brightness, and I need another block so we can compare it, but compared to the check engine light dimness, when the engine light is all the way dim, it's not really harmful to the eyes, but as you can see right now, with this being all the way dim, it is still bright. All right, so I'm going to show y'all this. All right, so right now I have it all the way dim. This is all the way bright. That is quite insane, you guys, quite insane. So I'm going all the way back to dim. Once again, when this is all the way dim, it is still bright. So, I mean, I don't know who that's bothering. If it bothers you, then it bothers you. But, you know, as far as like camera wise go, then you don't want nothing, you know, too bright, I guess. I don't even know what I'm saying, but this thing is cool, you guys. So I like having this, and I like my my check engine light. Now I don't know where I want to put garage at yet, so I'm gonna just leave it there for now. I'm not gonna hang it up yet. Colors that I usually use, so pink and blue. I use pink, blue, purple, those type of colors right there. Those are like my favorite colors to use when I'm like blogging or doing anything. Most of my videos I usually use purple in the background, or blue, or pink. So why did I go on to all of that stuff? Y'all was supposed to just watch a review on the garage, right? The garage light. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, please put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.